All right. Hi, guys. How you feel? Thank you for being here. Short introduction. My name is Igor. I'm the founder of the brand Renox and of the project Renox. And today is a big day. We have today our official launch and kind of a little bit of relaunch, but you will see everything today, what it's all about, what we are doing, what is our vision, where we are going, and you will hear also some other people. We will have, in the end, a Q&A. And of course, we have a giveaway today on a Renox account of $3,000, but this will be done at the end of this webinar. So let's start. So first of all, there are many people here who joined already longer ago, who had a long time to wait. And for those people, I want to thank you for your patience, for sticking with us, believing with us, believing in us, and yeah, just go the journey to develop this project to this state of now. Right now, we have a very, very good state where everything is as it should be, and everything is prepared for you to go big and enjoy trading profits. So let me start first of all with the new presentation. I will go through it. I will explain you everything what is done. This video is also, or this webinar is recorded. So for everyone who had no time to join us today, we will publish it later in our official Telegram channel, and there you will have the chance to show it to your partners or for the people who couldn't join. Okay, let me first share my screen. 1 second. All right, here we go. Renox. So what is Renox? Renox is actually not a company. It's a project that is embedded into a broker. So we will talk about this a little bit later. So what we are doing, basically, we are doing copy trading. Nothing really new, but with a twist. There is some new nuances to it. So we are doing copy trading, and what is important, we are not a company where you pay money in, where you give us money. No, we have not access to it at all. Everyone has an own broker account. Everyone has only himself access to the funds. And this is a very important part for us. So we are working on the MetaTrader 5 platform. It's like the biggest platform for trading right now. They are world leaders. I mean, everyone who has something to do with trading knows about the MetaTrader 5. So that's why we are using it also. Now, what is our actual product? What are we doing? We have instant funded accounts. That's the actual product. So what is instant funded accounts? Maybe some of you heard in the past about prop trading or prop firms or instant funded firms. They were rising the last years, but they were very difficult to access. They had demo phases, challenge phases, very, very hard restrictions. Right here, right now, there are no restrictions, no demo phase, and no challenges at all. So we have no evaluation at all. You just register, you buy your instant funded account, and you have a big account to trade with. So, of course, with the funded account, there come some rules. The first rule, you are not allowed to go more than 10% deeper into the drawdown. So you have to stay below 10% drawdown. We have the complete profit share. So we have all the access to the profits that are made on the funded account, because in most companies, it's like 60-40 or 70-30 that a part of it stays with the broker of the profit and a part goes to the client. Here we have full access on the full profit. The first withdrawal you can do after 10 business days. So after that, if you made your first withdrawal, you can withdraw daily, hourly, however you like. So, and what business accounts do we, accounts do we offer? What funded accounts do we offer? First of all, we have a very small entry. The smallest entry is already $300. And every package that you buy, you get 10 times the money into your funded account. That means if you pay $300, you get a funded account with $3,000. If you pay $5,000, you get a funded account with $50,000. With 10,000, you get 100,000, and so on and so on. So basically, we multiply your funds from the beginning by 10. So when you buy this account, what options do you have? Now, first option, you can trade by yourself. Of course, you can buy an account and do the trading by yourself, which I would not recommend if you're not a very experienced trader. Because if you reach the 10% drawdown, the account is gone. You have to know. The second option is you can connect this account with copy trading to our trading strategy. And this will be traded for you fully automatically. So a few weeks ago, when we started with Renox, we had an idea how to present the trading strategies. We started with swing trading, which was not so good accepted by the community. That's why we switched all up, we changed everything, and now we are proud to present our very, very strong day trading strategy. And here I want to highlight some very, very cool facts. First of all, this is a very safe strategy. Why? Because we make only one trade per day. And you must know that when the trade is placed on that day, he has already a fixed take profit and a fixed stop loss. So this trade will run either into on one second to my Renox support here in Zoom. Please let the guys in who want to join. So this trade runs either into stop loss or into take profit. So we have a daily result. That's very, very motivating. The maximum drawdown so far that we have was 1.49%, so far away from our 10% range. And in average, we make 0.2% per day on the master. So the master, the traded account itself makes in average around 2 to 6% per month. But what does it mean on your paid money? That's actually extent, because you make them 20 to 60% a month based on your payment. So I will show you this with an example. Let's say you decide to buy a package for $10,000. That means you get a funded account of $100,000. And let's assume we make a 6% profit in the first month. So that will be the 6% on $100,000 is $6,000. We charge from it a 35% fee, which I will explain later why we charge this fee. And you keep, as an investor, you keep 65% of the profit, which still is $3,900. So actually, on your paid amount, it's 39% for this month. So in 2 to 3 months, actually, in average, you are break even. That's very, very interesting for investors. And that's why this system or this business model is very, very, very powerful. So where are we working on? Which broker are we working? We're working with TegasFX. And TegasFX, many of you maybe know them already. Some of you, for some of you, it's maybe new. TegasFX, I know the guys who work for TegasFX many, many years. Me, myself, I work with the brokers since 8 years. The broker is existing over nine years on the market, has a very, very good reputation. It's a 100% A-book broker. And they're working with the DBS Bank, which is actually one of the biggest banks in Asia. So you have the option to deposit and withdraw with bank wire or with crypto. And there we have all variations of USDT and USDC. So about the DBS Bank, I mean, I said already, the very strong reputation, stability, world-class security. It's a very, very strong, very, very strong bank. Before we go to the second part of the presentation, I just want to return one more time to the trading strategy. So many of you think that to approve a strategy, it's important to have a very long track record. Yes and no. Because how often did you see a really, really good track record, and then when the business starts, within 1 or 2 months, they get into huge drawdown, let it run, are scared to trade, to close the trade, and then you have the disaster. What is very important is that you understand how to analyze the strategy. What could go wrong? In average, we risk here around 0.5% per trade, 0.3, 0.5%. Statistically, we have a 90% hit rate on take profit. So that means that this thing goes wrong, they must hit, I don't know, 20 times in a row the stop loss. That's so you don't have like a downfall from today or to tomorrow. If something goes wrong, we have time to react and we have time to recognize. And that's the most important thing. So what we did, we took the new strategy, we tested it. We first of all checked the track record from them. They have a longer track record, which was looking very nice. Then we tested it on a funded account, on a private funded account in Tegas for around a month. And the last 3 weeks, I think 3 to 4 weeks, I made a community test. That means I allowed some leaders to join the testing phase. They were testing it. They were looking by themselves how the strategy is working, and maybe one or two. I will pick only a few. Can also give their opinion on it or tell a few words how they liked. Did they like the strategy? Does it really work or it doesn't? Let's start with Stefan. Stefan, are you here? Can you raise the hand that I can unmute you? Ah, here you are. Okay.
Hey, good evening, guys. Thank you, Igor, for the presentation.
Good evening.
And yeah, I will do a small testimonial so that we can continue on with the presentation. So first of all, I would like to thank you for this beautiful strategy. I'm a trader also myself. I've been trading for 2.5 years with ups and downs. You know how hard are those market conditions. And regarding Renox, what I really like with this new strategy, the one trade, is that we have been testing for 11 days in a row right now. And on 11 trades, we won 9 times. So it's 82% win rates. And the fact that it's also on the Euro USD is very nice.
Yes.
They know what they're doing. They are keeping really a very good risk-reward ratio and, of course, a risk management. So the only way to make money in trading is to really have a good money management. And this is exactly what they do. So yeah, I'm very happy with this new project. And I want to thank you again, Igor, for this. I will leave the words to somebody else. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Stefan. Do we have someone else who can raise their hand and say a few words from the leaders who tested the new strategy? We have, for example, Asim. Asim, do you want to say something? Are you here? I don't know if he's in the call or not. I will take a look. No, maybe then Christian. Christian, are you here? Yeah, let me allow you to open the mic. Oh, wait 1 second. One more time. Try now. Not working?
Yes, now, yes. You asked me? It's okay, Igor. Okay, yes, I'm Christian. Hello. Best regards from Dubai. Now, I give my best in my English. We learn English very fast now in Dubai. I hope you understand me. I have a little community with 100 peoples, and for us was very important in the past. We need serious products, serious investments, and yes, and with Tegas, with very good investment, we think. And my feedback and the experience for the first time was in the test phase. I had the chance to join the test phase for about 3 weeks, yes, and my experience was very positive. What I liked most was how quickly the team learned from the first situation. This was very good, made the right improvements and react very, very fast. I'm really happy and I could be part of it and can only share good feedback. Many thanks to Igor. Absolutely, Igor was very, very fast with answer, very good support. We like this and his team for their very great work. And yes, really, I think this is a very good investment for our community. Thank you, Igor. Und ein paar Wörter in Deutsch. Ja, Igor hat mich darum gebeten. Also auch hier sind ein paar Mitglieder aus unserer Community. Hallo, erstmal schöne Grüße an euch. Also hier nochmal meine Worte. Also ihr habt es gesehen, wir waren jetzt 2-3 Wochen in der Testphase. Das lief grundsätzlich sehr, sehr gut, sehr positiv und hat auf jeden Fall die richtige Richtung eingeschlagen, dass auch mal ein Trade ins Minus verlaufen kann. Ja, das ist halt Trading, das ist real. Von daher freue ich mich, dass ihr heute Abend dabei seid und wir schauen bei dem Projekt wirklich positiv in die Zukunft. Also auch nochmal herzlichen Dank, dass ihr heute Abend dabei seid. Igor, super Job. Danke dir.
Thank you very much. Great. Asim, now I found you. Now you can unmute you. Thank you, Christian.
Yes.
Hey, Igor, can you hear me?
Yeah, we hear you, Asim. Thank you.
Hey, awesome. Thank you for the opportunity, man. Hi, everyone. My name is Asim. I've been involved in Forex trading now for the past 8 years. And in these last 8 years, I have literally tried everything to find a way to be consistently profitable, whether it's trading myself, investing in trading bots or using prop firm trading accounts, all of these different things I've tried. But the two main issues that I think 99% of retail traders we face is either our funding or lack of funding, and then finding a strategy that is profitable. And over the last few years, I've seen a lot of opportunities, but the only one that I've really seen that provides you a solution for both of those problems is Renox. The fact that we can get funding on, with a very reputable broker, very well-known broker, and also at the same time, we have a strategy that is consistently profitable. And also, I understand that Forex trading is never just, smooth sailing. I understand that there could be obstacles or hurdles along the way. But the reason why I'm so positive on Renox is because of Igor's ability to deal with these obstacles or help us overcome these problems, which is very, very important when you're running a project like this. So yeah, I am so positive on this project because 99% of the times when you combine good, leadership, good foundation on the project, along with a product like this, you're due for success. So yeah, thank you, Igor, for the opportunity. And I hope you guys seeing this really take advantage. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Asim. Thank you guys for your testimonials. One important remark for all people who joined already a while ago. Since today, you all were automatically reconnected from the swing strategy to the new Renox day trading strategy. So everyone should now be automatically connected to the new strategy and can enjoy from tomorrow the new trades. So so far to here. 1 second. Oh, what's that? Yeah. So now also this strategy is now available in the back office. So if you register at Tegas with the link from Renox, then you will see the strategy and you can connect your funded account to this strategy. So far to the product. The product is very, very interesting. But why are we here? Why we are telling it to other people? Because we have, of course, affiliation system, a commission plan, where you can build a business out of it, where you can build a team. And here we use a unilevel system, which is free, 10 levels deep. So we have a 10-level unilevel system. On this unilevel system, we pay out a commission of $6 per traded lot, divided by these 10 levels. So when you start in the beginning, then you have the first 3 levels unlocked automatically. Then if you have active clients in your structure, it must not be in the first line. It can be in the second, third line, no matter. Somewhere in these 3 levels, if you have 5 active clients, then you open the 4th level. What does an active client mean? An active client is someone who bought a Renox package. That's an active client. That's enough. So, and if you have like 35 active clients in your downline, then you have all 10 levels unlocked. And now you must keep in mind that this commission is also paid out on the funded accounts. So basically, it's a 10x commission from a normal $6 per lot commission. It's actually $60 per lot. So if you have, for example, in your team, 100,000 in sales, you have 1 million in trading. And on this 1 million, the traded lots of this 1 million will be paid out to you as commission. The commission is paid instantly. That means if the trade is closed, then you get your commission in your dashboard. What does it mean for you? That means for you daily money, because we close the trades every day. We have one trade per day. So every day you get commission into your dashboard. And here, that's real passive income. So if you build a big community here, then you have steady and big passive income that you can generate from your team. But the lot commission is not everything. We have also a performance fee, like I said, that we charge. So we charge 35% performance fee and 25% go directly to traders. So that's the company, the Renox money, and 10% go to pools. So we have three kind of pools. The first pool is a 3% pool from the global performance fee. To get into this pool, you have to make $50,000 first line turnover and 1 million in a team. But this is a funded amount. That means actually in sales, it's only $5,000 and you have $100,000 sales in team, then you're already in the first pool and participate from the first pool. In the second pool, where 5% of the global performance fee will be paid out, you need 250,000 first line turnover, also funded, mean 25,000 in sales, and 10 million in team, which is 1 million in real sales. Then we created also a leader pool. For what is the leader pool? That's a designated leader pool. And what we are doing here is we collect funds for future events, incentives. So for example, if Christian has a team, Christian has a big team here, and he said, Igor, we want to make an event in Dubai or in Germany or no matter where, we need funds for this, or we want to make an incentive, we can take out the funds from this leader pool and use it for promotion or for the teams. So that's, I think, a very, very good solution. So far to the presentation. 1 second, let me stop the translation. Before I stop the translation, one more thing. If you need this presentation or other materials, I can recommend you to go to the website renox.trade. Here you find also the video and a little bit description what we are doing. But the most important thing, you have here the button tutorials, and you have many languages. You have step-by-step tutorials, how to do everything. You have a downloadable PDF guide, how to make KYC, how to deposit, how to connect. Also, like I said, in many, many, many languages. And the PDF you will find under the section documentation. And here you have also many languages where you can download the actual PDF. So for me, for a few words from my side so that you understand, Renox is for me a very important project, because I am not here to make a project for a few months. I want really a long-term steady business. And my main goal is for you guys, that when you build a community here, that you can benefit from it over many, many years. How we want to do that. So you saw, we have a kickoff strategy now that works very fine, and we will work with that. But don't put all eggs in one basket. That means what we are doing right now, we're actively looking for traders and strategies. We are checking everything, and if I decide that this strategy has potential and is safe enough for my community, then this strategy will be implemented into Renox. My goal is over the years to collect 10, maybe 15 different trading strategies that the client has the choice to diversify between different strategies. And even if something happens, if one strategy is not working out, the other 5 or 6 will do. And this is a long and steady business, first for the clients because of diversification, and second, for the business builders, for the promoters, who are you guys. I want you to build here a community that stays here forever, because we bring always new and interesting products and beneficial products. That's my long-term view. And I know that we can do it together over years. We have no pressure. We have time. We are not going anywhere. So take your time, test it. I recommend really to test it by yourself. Just try it out. If you like it, you can top up or join. If you're not, you're good to go. We have no problem with that. But we want to bring here a big community and make Renox a very, very big project. Okay, right now we can stop the recording. Can you stop the recording, please?